Good evening, J2 car spectators. How y'all doing today? I'm at my friend's house. I'm not at my house. As you know, y'all probably looking like when y'all see the video. Ooh, let me change the video. Who house y'all at? You at a whole different location. Yeah, I know. I am. And today I told y'all in my other video, I'm working on my spark plugs, and it just came in. It just came into the mail today. Yeah, and I just drove my car over here. And it's the box right here for the new spark plugs. You feel me? For the new spark plugs for the Camaro. Yeah, that's what we're about to do right now. I'm just waiting on my friend to come outside so we can start on the Camaro. Yep, and that's a little something on the Camaro build. Other than that, the other day I fucked my door up because these doors right here, I'm gonna show you. These are Lamborghini doors right here. So I was closing it like kind of hard type of shit, and it wouldn't close no more. So I have to, go to run to the store. See, look, and go buy some. What's the name of those? Oh, damn, I forgot. Yeah, those. I have to get those. And strap them on to the door to make sure it's shut halfway at least until I get a chance to fix it. Other than that, car been running cool, bro. I've been doing burnouts. I'm gonna show y'all a little something when I get done fixing it up. Other than that, just low maintenance. It's been raining and cold since the past couple of days, so I couldn't been doing nothing really major, and I've been waiting on my paycheck, so yeah.
So first time changing spark plugs?
Hell yeah, it's my first time changing this bitch. I'm trying to put that bitch right up on first.
Told you.
We got the first plug out, but I don't know which cylinder. What is that one? I don't know which cylinder, but we got the first one. How is it looking?
That shit fucked up. That shit fucked the fuck up, nigga.
This is how it's looking, the first one that we pulled out. 5 more to go. It's not really that bad. It looks bad as fuck though, but I seen worse though.
No, that shit's bad.
I think we took out cylinder 4 spark plug. What we about to do, we about to write on them to see which one they is before we start putting everything back together, and we don't want no misfire. Let's have my shit. Look, I'm leaving more wires. That's next. More wires. Simple. So we about to pull the next one out. So, right. Oh shit. There. If you can see me. Right there.
Spark plug 2.
2. Spark plug 2.
Damn.
What?
This shit black than a motherfucker. What the hell?
They were trying to say you gotta go from the bottom to get the back room over there. You don't gotta go from the bottom. You don't. Just get you a little extension and the spark plug puller out.
Shut your ass up. You do not change no damn spark plug.
And you don't gotta go from the bottom. That's all myths. You feel me?
Nah, listen to him, y'all.
It's all myths. I just proved it right now. All the people on the internet be lying. Easy as fuck.
Easy, bro. I did my spark plugs in 10 minutes, nigga. Keep on talking, bro. I'm gonna stab you, bro.
Who you trying to stab? I'll jab your ass up. Okay. Bitch, what you mean?
You don't want none, bro. You don't want no smoke.
Smoke? I want all the smoke. I'll leave your ass in the smoke.
Yeah, shut up. That's why you got 8 spark plugs. Yeah. These are good spark plugs.
I wish I had 8 spark
Bro, are
plugs.
they pre-
Are you trying to play me, nigga?
Bro, are
You said 8. You said what?
Are they pre-gapped?
I don't know. I just bought them off the internet.
Did they? You bought them off the AutoZone website or O'Reilly's website?
No.
Where'd you buy them from? NGK spark plug?
Yeah. Yep. What you trying to say? Let me get some light. How they looking?
Pretty clean. See how much your gap spec is on your car. Look it up on the internet. See how much your gap spec is. See how much your gap, nigga. Come on, bro.
Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all the difference real quick. Let's see how this one look. You see it? A pair of these. Ass. What's this big ass bubble ass head? He knocked the waves off his fucking head.
Bro, what was that, bro?
Nigga knocked that.
It was this shit.
God damaged his head on the
You didn't get that
motherfucking
shit on
car.
camera?
No, nigga, I wish. I wish.
Nigga,
I was
said,
trying to, nigga.
Fuck it, nigga, that motherfucker hurt.
Man, shit, man. We having trouble with the fucking first.
No, we not.
Here we are.
That nigga lying.
I tried and he tried too.
Man.
The second one, I was trying my hardest, and nigga, he got this shit out. Watch, you're gonna see him watch it if you get it out.
That's gonna be a long ass
See?
wait, my nigga.
You see? You see? This shit fucking hard. I tried, nigga, with all my strength, and I ain't no little ass scrawny ass dude. You feel me?
That sucks.
And that motherfucker just inside there. If you get it out, I'm about to be hot. Look like he getting it out though. Look at he using all his muscle.
I'm not even using my strength. I'm not trying to. I'm not trying to hit my hand against the steering column.
Man, you gonna really hit that shit.
Nigga, steering shaft.
It's probably if you go for a certain way, you gonna hit your shit. If you go like from a certain way, you gonna hit your shit.
No, I'm gonna hit my shit regardless, nigga. There ain't nothing gonna stop my hand but this wall and this fucking piece right here. Bro,
What happened?
go from the bottom.
I gotta go from the bottom.
Yeah, go from the bottom, my nigga.
For sure, for sure. I'm from the bottom. I don't want. Yeah, I'm the bottom. I don't go from the bottom. I don't want to be on top.
Quick little update. 3 spark plugs right here. I don't know what's going on, Keely.
Basically, fuck some shit up. On the spark plug wire. Spark plug wire. Fuck him. That little piece is stuck on the spark plug still. So
He fucked.
I might even cause more damage than what it was. The back spark plugs that we had in it. So fuck it, we just gonna see. That we probably gonna have to replace that one. Shit. Then we can go to AutoZone and get it. Yeah.
How this one is bigger. The gap on this one is bigger than this one. So that means, nigga, from all
That looks
these,
different.
nigga, they are different. This one's AC Delco, and this one is Autolite. Look at that shit.
That shit fucked over.
Damn, bro. So just imagine how much better your shit will run if you get the right spark plugs.
She run a lot more better.
So yeah,
Was there any mail in the box?
on my bed. Look, all different spark plugs.
All different.
Except these two match, and these two match. So it's like 2 and 2 that match.
So that was the
Hold on.
random misfire.
These 3 match right here. These 3 match. This one's different, and these 2 are different. Well, these 2 are the same. So that's why it's a random misfire, because all your spark plugs were different. Literally. Well, except, yeah, a couple of them.
So basically, if y'all get a random misfire, yeah, that must be it.
Check
Most
your
definitely.
plugs, check your wires, check your distributor,
Man.
check your cripping.
Everything.
Alright, come on, let's get back on this shit.
Seem like you're struggling on similar to one. That motherfucker was fucking me up, man. Let me show y'all. See how my hand look? That shit was fucking me up. Hand is fucked over.
That shit killing my hand.
I bet. Chopping your shit up.
Nah, it's not even chopping it. It's just making my arm tired, man.
I mean, my lower back was getting tired as fuck. I mean,
Oh, yeah, I see exactly. I feel exactly where you cut yourself at. You was cutting yourself on the headers.
that shit hurts.
So you gotta get some aftermarket ones, my nigga. You don't have to deal with that cut.
That's in the making. That's in the making for the Camaro build.
After you get a V8.
Blow this bitch up. Really motherfucker wants to call.
Wait, hold up.
Guess what, guys?
This is why you don't let this motherfucker work on his own car.
Just because of that.
We gotta go on a parts run.
But he told me to tighten it super tight, basically.
Oh, the fuck I did.
Just to make sure it's tight. And I really didn't want to do it. Something was telling me not to do it, but I just did it anyway.
If y'all believe that, y'all stupid. Look what he did to his spark plug. Y'all think I'll tell him that?
It was something like that, man. I tried not to, but fuck
Alright,
it.
well, put your car down so we can push it in the garage and we can hurry up and go get this part. I'm not trying to be...
Shit, we said fuck it. Got some motherfucking wires.
Might as well.
Shit. Whole set, nigga, came up to $35 for the fucking spark plug I broke and the wires. $35.
Alright, pass me another one.
What shit got here?
That's another one. Oh.
Yep. All new wires too, so I mean, we did 2 jobs at once.
Might as well knock out 2 birds with 1 stone.
2 birds with 1 stone.
Oh, hell. Fastest spark plug wire y'all ever seen in y'all life. Installer in y'all life.
You think he going far fast?
Make a world record still. Nah, I ain't trying to go fast. I'm just trying to hurry up because we got stuff to do in an hour. But we done now. Just gotta plug everything back.
I need a picture.
Plug everything back and we straight, boy. We straight.
Well, from here, I'm gonna basically wrap it up from here because we got things to do. So after this, I'm gonna just hop in the car and go. This is what we did. Basically, showed y'all what these motherfuckers look like. Don't see those, you feel me?
It needed it bad.
Bad. Told you to come
And mind y'all, he bought this car all fucked up. So we had a lot of spark plugs to change. Fucking full tune-up we had to do to this shit.
Plus
So
other things.
we had to do this. No, that he didn't take. No, he did not own this car for a long time and do all this to this car. This car was already fucked up when he bought it, so he's restoring it. I let him know, bro, because people be thinking you messing up your cars. It's not him. The last dude had it, didn't know what he had.
Yeah.
But Keely gonna take care of it, right, Keely?
Mm-hmm.
Gonna take good care.
I'm gonna take care of you, mama. Yes, daddy. Take care of me. What? You gotta talk to your car. You don't know about talking to your. Y'all don't know about talking to your car. You feel me?
Get freaky with my car.
You feel me? You got. Hey. Motherfucker gonna run better. You feel me? You gotta talk to him.
Don't be like him and get freaky with y'all car.
Hey.
He be doing. I can't say too much, but he do a lot of stuff with his car that y'all wouldn't want to know what he's doing.
You like that, huh?
Nah. Hell no, buddy.
Yes, daddy.
I hope you're not.